Up until 3 years ago, Photoshop had a set of tools. They used to call it 3D, and one of the features was being able to save a normal map directly from Photoshop, taking a diffuse color map and changing it into normal. Since they have removed it, the only solution is installing nVidia's Texture Tools Exporter plugin. And if you search Google, you'll get into this link. You may be required to log in or to create an account as a developer, but it's worth it. So install the plugin and then restart Photoshop, go back into Photoshop, load your texture, go into Save, Files, Save As. Now the plugin is VDS nVidia Texture Tools. Once I save it, it will open it, and it usually opens as color map, but you can change into normal and save it. Now once you save it, it will save it as a DDS file. So let's open the DDS file. It will ask us if we want to. Let's accept, and there we have it. Now just make sure to save it in a PNG or JPEG or whatever format you wish, and it is as simple as that. Thank you very much.